Just sit back, relax, listen to the music, enjoy the words, and wait and see until the end. If you want something, what do you say?
I would like.
Read.
I would like.
Read.
I would like.
Read.
I would like.
Read.
Read means want or would like. So you don't actually have to say I.
That's right.
Oh, that's easy. So, if you want to say, I would like a coffee?
You simply say, read café.
A coffee.
Café.
A coffee.
Café.
Ah, you don't say a.
Café.
A coffee.
Café. Café.
With milk.
بالحليب.
With milk.
بالحليب.
With milk.
بالحليب.
With milk.
بالحليب. حليب.
Please.
جيك يعجبك.
Please.
جيك يعجبك.
Ah, yeah. It literally means, if you please.
That's true.
Yek means if. So, if you please.
جيك يعجبك.
If you please.
جيك يعجبك.
Please.
جيك يعجبك.
Please.
جيك يعجبك.
So, how would I say, I want a coffee, please?
Read café. جيك يعجبك.
Okay, let me try. Read cafe. Yek yojbok.
Read café. جيك يعجبك.
Read cafe. Yek yojbok.
Very good.
Really?
Yes, Eva.
Ah, Eva means yes. Okay, so I say thank you. Grazie.
Tashain.
Tashain? What does that mean?
Tashain means don't mention it.
Ah, tashain. Don't mention it.
Tashain.
You're welcome.
Tashain. Tashain.
And how do you say tea?
Te.
Tea.
Te.
Tea.
Te.
And sugar.
وسكر.
Sugar.
سكر.
And sugar.
وسكر.
And.
And
And sugar.
وسكر.
And how do I say I want a tea with sugar?
read te بتسكر.
Read te bitsakar.
Very good.
Grazie. Thank you.
But you can also simply say, please, tea with sugar.
Okay, let me guess. Jekk jogħġbok te bitsakar.
Jekk jogħġbok te bit-sukkar.
And how do you say water?
Ilma.
Water.
Ilma.
Water.
Ilma. Ilma. Ilma.
And a bottle of water?
Fliexkun ilma.
A bottle of?
Fliexkun.
A bottle of?
Fliexkun.
A bottle of?
Fliexkun.
A bottle of water.
Fliexkun ilma.
A bottle of water.
Fliexkun ilma.
I'd like a bottle of water.
Irrid fliexkun ilma.
And I'd like a glass of water.
Irrid tazza ilma.
A glass of water.
Tazza ilma.
A glass of?
Tazza.
A glass.
Tazza.
A glass of?
Tazza.
A glass of water.
Tazza ilma.
A glass of water.
Tazza ilma.
I'd like a glass of water.
Irrid tazza ilma. But you can also say, please bring me a glass of water. Jekk jogħġbok, ġieb li tazza ilma.
Ah, okay. Bring me.
ġibli,
Bring.
ġib,
Bring me.
ġibli,
Bring me a glass of water.
ġibli, tazza, ilma.
Please bring me a glass of water.
Jekk jogħġbok, ġibli, tazza, ilma.
Jekk jogħġbok, ġib li tazza ilma.
Very good.
You mean for a beginner?
Oh, really? Very good. And now a little challenge for you.
Okay.
How would you say, I'd like a coffee?
Yeah. I'd like irid coffee cafe. Jekk jogħġbok.
Good. Tajjeb.
Tayyeb means good. Oh, thank you. Grazie.
Ta' xejn.
Don't mention it.
Ta' xejn.
You're welcome.
Ta' xejn. Ta' xejn. Ta' xejn.
Don't mention it.
Ta' xejn. Ta' xejn.
You're welcome.
Ta' xejn. Ta' xejn. Ta' xejn.